prinsipyo sunod. Kumpanyang may wastong gabay patungo sa buong mundo. Kumpanyang lumalago kasama mga customer at bukas palad sa pagbabahagi. Kami ang Atomy. Mula nang itatag noong 2009, ang Atomy ay patuloy na lumalaki bilang isang global na kumpanya ng network marketing na makikita sa buong mundo. Higit pa sa kasiyahan ng mga customer, ang pangunahing layunin ng Atomy ay ang tagumpay nila. Ang pagsisikap ng Atomy ay nagpapatuloy hanggang ngayon. Ang pagbibigay ng dekalidad ng produkto sa abot-kayang presyo. Ang kompetitibong lakas ng Atomy ay nasa tunay na diwa ng distribusyon. Mula nang itatag, ang Atomy ay patuloy na isinabuhay ang filosofiya ng absolute quality at absolute price. Ang prinsipyong ito ay makikita sa lahat ng produkto ng Atomy, mula sa health supplements, beauty, living, pagkain, fashion at marami pang iba. Ang Hemohim na may kabuuang benta na higit sa 2 trilyong Korean won ay nangunguna sa export ng health supplements sa Korea. Binuo bilang isang national project ng Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Ang Hemohim ay nakakuha ng 23 international patents bilang isang individual na produkto. Noong 2023, ito ang unang health supplement sa Korea na may dual function, nakakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng immune system at pagpapabuti ng resistensya laban sa pagkapagod. Patunay na natatanging kasaysayan ito sa industriya ng health supplements. Ang isa pang pangunahing produkto, ang Absolute Selective Skincare, ay nakapagtala ng kabuuang benta na higit sa 1 trilyong Korean won. Ito rin ang unang cosmetic product na ginawaran ng King Sejong Award ng Korean Intellectual Property Office. Bukod dito, napili rin ito bilang isang next generation world-class product ng Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy ng Korea. Isinasagawa ng Atomy ang pamamahala na nakasentro sa mga customer sa lahat ng gawain ito bilang isang kumpanya. Dahil sa pagsisikap na ito, ang Atomy ay kinilala bilang tanging kumpanya sa industriya na nakatanggap ng Consumer-Centered Management Certification ng 3 beses sa magkakasunod na taon. Mula nang itatag ng US branch noong 2010, ang Atomy ay nagbukas na ng 27 branches sa Asia, South America, Oceania at Europa. Ngayon, patuloy itong lumalago bilang isang global distribution hub na nag-uugnay sa mga producer at consumers sa buong mundo. Pinatunayan ng Atomy ang matinding tagumpay nito sa pandaigdigang merkado na nangunguna sa pag-export ng health supplements at medical products. Matapos tanggapin ang $300 million Export Tower Award, umabot ang kabuuang export sales nito sa $1.8 billion noong 2024. Kasunod ng pagbubukas ng branch sa Europa, pinaplano namin ang pandaigdigang pagpapalawak sa hinaharap na nakatuon sa Africa, Latin America at mga umuusbong na bansa. Sa pamamagitan ng Global Sourcing Global Sales (GSGS) strategy, ang Atomy ay kumukuha ng mga produktong may absolute quality at absolute price mula sa buong mundo at ipinamahagi ito sa global network nito. Ang natatanging success system ng Atomy ay nagbibigay na pantay na oportunidad sa lahat, anuman ang kakayahan, sa pamamagitan ng direktang pamamahala ng kumpanya sa mga seminar. Sinisiguro nitong ang bawat isa ay may tsansang magtagumpay. Isang matagumpay na seminar na malinaw na naghahatid ng bisyon ng Atomy sa mga miyembro sa buong mundo, online at offline man. Ibinibigay ng Atomy ang vision of global success system sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng iba't ibang serbisyo. Bukod dito, isinagawa ng Atomy ang ACTS project upang sanayin at palakasin ang kakayahan ng mga global members na aktibo sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Binuksan din ito ang Sungni Sanorest na muling ipinakikilala bilang isang sentro ng Atomy brand experience. Patuloy ang Atomy sa pagbibigay ng suporta upang matulungan ang mga miyembro na makamit ang tagumpay. Upang matupad ang absolute quality at absolute price, sinusuportahan ng Atomy ang mga partner nito sa pamamagitan ng cash payment sa loob ng 1 linggo, zero interest funding at pinagsamang quality control system. Sa ganitong paraan, itinataguyod nito ang isang kultura ng win-win growth. Isinusulong ng Atomy ang sustainable coexistence sa pamamagitan ng eco-friendly initiatives tulad ng plastic-free product renewal, paggamit ng biodegradable materials, at smart packaging solution upang suportahan ang resource recycling at environmental restoration. Ang pagbabahagi ng Atomy ay hindi lamang nangunguna sa industriya ng network marketing kundi pati na rin sa buong sektor ng distribusyon. Sa nakalipas na 3 taon, ang porsyento ng donasyon ng Atomy kumpara sa kabuuang kita nito ay 30 beses na mas mataas kaysa sa karaniwang kumpanya sa industriya ng distribusyon. Dahil dito, ito ay naging number 1 sa philanthropy sa hanay ng top 500 companies sa Korea. Nakatanggap din ang Atomy ng mga parangal at sertipikasyon mula sa gobyerno para sa sustainable management and good donations, family-friendly company, hinirang bilang best workplace in Korea at marami pang iba. Ang kultura ng pagbabahagi ng Atomy ay hindi lamang sa Korea kundi pati na rin sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasama ang kumpanya, mga miyembro, partner companies at empleyado. Aktibong isinasagawa ng Atomy ang mga social contribution activities sa buong mundo. Isang kumpanyang sumusunod sa prinsipyo at lumikha ng bagong kultura sa distribusyon. Isang kumpanyang lumalawak sa buong mundo habang kinikilala at pinagtitiwalaan ng marami. Isang kumpanya hindi lang nagpapasaya sa customer kundi hinahangad din ang kanilang tagumpay. Isang kumpanyang nagbibigay halaga sa bawat individual. Buong pusong ipagmamalaki, kami ang Atomy.
Ayan, yan po ang napakagandang company profile ng Atomy. So, salamat po sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa Facebook at sa lahat ng bagong sumali or bagong pumasok sa ating Zoom meeting. Welcome po again. So, now, family and friends at sa lahat ng Global Atomia na nakikinig sa akin, I would like to introduce to you a guest speaker. He is a dedicated leader in Atomy from here in Baltimore, USA. Very passionate about his health, his hope, and his happiness. And please welcome our sales master Ping. Tonight, he will open his heart, literally his heart, and he will share his powerful testimony about Himuhim, how this amazing product transformed his health, why he believes everyone should know about it, and let's give him our full attention, okay? Let's give him a big round of applause. Okay, SM Ping, Elpidio Murillo. The floor is yours.
Hello world! Yan po ang logo ng ating magandang Diamond Master, Seth Fincher. Hello world! Hello at magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa inyo pong lahat. Balik lang po ako sa slide ko, okay? When I started doing Atomy or learn about Atomy or Atomy was introduced to me, one of the biggest Cupido, sabi nila sa puso ko, is the company motto. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, service with humility. Wala akong nakita sa ibang multi-level marketing na having this divine intervention as doing Atomy, sharing Atomy, or doing business as an Atomian. So in the future, if you will find some challenges or encounter some, let's say, that will put yourself like in a down line, sabi ko nga na medyong doubts, go back to the company motto. And it will bring you back to enlightenment and give you more focus. We're in the world with a company na nandun na po lahat sa ating company profile. Diba? Napanood na po natin, that is also in Tagalog. Now we are having this virtue, words over matter. I was, for 15 years, a seaman for a cruise ship industry. Sabi ko nga noon, lagi kong sinasabi, if this ship will sink, it's the fault of the captain. So if I have to apply words over matter, it's just the same thing about minds over matter. So I was struck when the Diamond Master Rallen told me, the powerful, the BIP. So I don't think it that way. So as a humble person, so words sometimes drives us to our journey doing Atomy. So these are the things that when I was on my vacation, so these are the words that really struck me in my mind and heart. The power of the words influences our thoughts, which reshape our reality. As a captain of the ship, tayo ho ang mag-glide or we are doing the journey to reach our destination. Hindi po yung barko. It declares positive thinking. It's the way we think to positive outcome and focusing on attainable goals through specific words. Sabi nga nila, words are magical. Reprogram our mind or your mind and manifest desired result. Whatever we will think, it comes out what we want to say or what we want to achieve, our dreams. And the words reflect our inner mindset. So siya po yung mag-fit sa ating mind. So words over matter, it's we. How we will project ourselves to the journey in doing Atomy. 3 topics that I will discuss today, or I will share with you. My life's experience from the start of 2020 to the present. How grateful I am doing and being a part of this, not talking about the multi-billion, but being a part of the Atomy family. How I use the product. How I believe 100% in the product. With the more than 500 plus product globally, I do believe that only Atomic Company has these numbers of product that we share it to the world or universally. And I will share with you and recommend things, how I do in spreading the good news and how I myself helping the community. And that is all about Atomy. I was born in Basilan. I know people from the Philippines, from the farthest island of southern Philippines. It was known to be a rebel infiltrated area. I am not an Abu Sayyaf, if you see there with my M16. Is that a picture? Because, sometimes we have to protect ourselves. It's a humble island, a poor island, but it doesn't stop my ambition or my dreams to what I want to become in the future. So now I'm here in America. I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful also that I am an Atomian. What is my experience? These are my family. My siblings, we are 5 in the family. And this is my immediate family, my wife and daughter. And my experience was so colorful. Sometimes we don't know what will happen, and sometimes we don't take hold of our experience. But God is always there for us. It guides us. And I do believe everything that happens in my life or in our lives is of divine intervention. He knows everything. So allow me to share with you my story, and that explains to you everything why I am still in Atomy. I am Elpidio Ping Murillo from Atomy Atlanta Center, Sales Master. My story. Me and my family went to the beach early morning to have fun, but it turns out to be a horrific experience. A big waves engulfed my wife and daughter, and I had to rescue them from drowning. Moments after, lifesavers and EMS came into our rescue and rushed me to emergency department and left me with the news that I have to undergo surgery or another risk of heart attack and more fatal outcome. I submitted myself to 8-hour quadruple open heart bypass. My journey to recovery leads me to emotional, physical, mental, and social pain. I even alienated myself to the world. Months after, Atomy was introduced to me, and I decided to try Hemohim. And few days after, my body revitalized and my mind cleared. I was motivated to try and learn more Atomy products. And through my browsing and watching Atomy videos, I have learned the virtue of cherish the spirit. And this resonated to me and Atomy becomes my saving grace. I have heard and watched testimonies of Atomians, and I am inspired. Little did I know, this is the beginning of a new chapter in my life. Atomy pushed me to go out to the world and share my experiences to people. I shared it to my family, friends, and people in the communities here and abroad. I started sharing Atomy toothpaste, and now my community of Atomy is growing. I have met global leaders, and I am so humbled of their wisdom. I am a proud Atomian now. My heart is big for compassion, for healing, and for giving back. Atomy is a gift, Himuhim is life. There you go, my dear Atomians. When I say the word healing, it doesn't talk about the product. It's an inner healing for me because that gives me an opportunity for me to learn about myself, to be good as an Atomian, and it changes the whole being of me. When I learn about Atomy, sabihin ko nga sa inyo, bumait ako talaga. So when I showed that video and I showed that my siblings, my families, I was thinking about myself during my recovery process. Sabi ko nga, paano pala pag nawala na ako? And that stops everything of me having the opportunity to help other people also in the future. So why am I showing that? Because I had experienced a surgery way back in the late 2020, a quadruple open heart bypass surgery at my early age. So sabi nga kanina, I've been in the surgery table or bed, what they call, for 8 hours. And that's not even stop because it prolongs my admission in the hospital. So before Ate was introduced to me, and that was after 5 months. So I was like a vegetable. All I have to do, natutulog lang ako. Ayaw kong umalis ng bahay. Hindi ako makapagsalita even a minute. Talagang nawawalan ako ng hininga. So I don't know what is happening. I'm so depressed. But I don't even know what the word of depression is because during that time, before the surgery, I'm a very, all-out personality. So after that 5 months, my sponsor introduced to me, and I even refused 100 times, I should say. I even doubt a good friend of mine who is my sponsor now. Sabi ko, ba't ba yan? Ano ba? Ayoko ng ganun. Ayoko na. Kasi I'm a chef by profession too. A seaman and a chef by profession. And even own a restaurant before. So sabi ko, huwag mo ako, paglutuin nyo na lang ako ng arroz-caldo, ibebenta ko, gagawin ko. But not doing multi-level marketing or networking business. Inayawan ko yan ng ilang beses, like any other person. So, now, from 2020 until today, every minute, every second, I'm an Atomian and being grateful. And I will always say, my logo, Himuhim is life. Ito po yung itsura ko. She did the blood transfusion, and that's my actual heart po. So I really asked husband, can I have? Because when they asked me, what is your will? If something happened, sabi ko, ganun ba yun? So I said, I wanna please send me something that I can keep it for myself. If in case I will still be alive. So everybody was laughing. So sabi nga nila ng mga anesthesiologists, the team of the surgical team, they say, what is your last, what do you wanna have? Anong gusto mo bago ang surgery? Sabi ko, please, I was thinking about my personality. Yung scar ko, I don't want a big scar. Di na tumanagtawa ng lahat. They all laugh. Of all the surgery, you're asking about your scar. But that's just a story, okay? But that's what I really told them. But I just want to share this with you, the pain that I have endured. So, it's all about Himuhim. I'm showing you another video that will explain to you well what is Himo-Him all about. And that helps me tremendously. Why until this day, I keep on sharing.
Welcome to our exploration of Himo-Him, a remarkable health supplement that's making waves in the wellness industry. Today, we'll delve into the science, benefits, and global impact of this innovative product. Imagine a supplement born from the collaboration of brilliant scientific minds, carefully crafted to support your body's natural defenses. That's Himo-Him, the result of an 8-year partnership between Colmar B&H and the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. At its core, Himo-Him is a blend of 3 powerful herbs, Angelica gigas, Conidium officinale, and Paeonia japonica. These aren't just any plants. They're carefully selected for their potent properties and combined in a way that maximizes their benefits. But what sets Himo-Him apart? It's the first individually approved ingredient recognized by the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety for strengthening the immune system. This isn't just another supplement. It's a scientifically backed formula designed to support your body's natural defenses. Let's talk about how Himo-Him works. Picture your immune system as an army, always on guard to protect you. Himo-Him acts like a skilled commander, activating your immune cells, particularly T cells and NK cells, to improve your body's defense mechanisms. It's like giving your internal army a strategic advantage. But that's not all. Himo-Him also helps regulate your immune response by promoting the creation of cytokines. Think of cytokines as the messengers of your immune system, coordinating responses and maintaining balance. With Himo-Him, you're not just boosting your defenses, you're optimizing them. Now, let's explore some of the exciting research surrounding Himo-Him. Studies have shown it may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Imagine a supplement that not only supports your immune system, but also fights inflammation and oxidative stress throughout your body. In a clinical study, participants with low white blood cell counts who took Himo-Him showed improvements in their immune cell function. The supplement increased the activity of natural killer cells and raised levels of important immune biomarkers like interferon gamma and interleukin-12. But the benefits don't stop there. Recent research has uncovered potential applications for Himo-Him in supporting patients undergoing cancer treatments. In a study with breast and cervical cancer patients, those taking Himo-Him during radiation and chemotherapy showed fewer cases of severe leukopenia compared to the control group. Himo-Him's impact extends beyond the lab. It's become a global sensation, with sales exceeding 2 trillion KRW in just 17 years. It's now available in over 20 countries, touching lives across the globe. This isn't just a product, it's a worldwide wellness movement. As we look to the future, Himo-Him continues to evolve. After 6 years of research, Colmar B&H has added a fatigue recovery function to Himo-Him, making it a dual functional food. They've also developed Himo-Him G, tailored for European tastes and regulations, ready for export to countries like the UK and Turkey. In conclusion, Himo-Him represents a new frontier in functional foods. It's not just about supporting your immune system, it's about optimizing your body's natural defenses and potentially improving overall health. As we continue to face new health challenges in our modern world, products like Himo-Him offer a scientifically backed approach to maintaining and improving our well-being. Remember, while Himo-Him shows incredible promise, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Your health journey is unique, and Himo-Him could be an exciting addition to your wellness toolkit. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Himo-Him. Here's to your health, vitality, and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the world of functional foods.
Okay, so I believe the video explains everything. So I am so grateful that I was given the opportunity to be able to really try the Himo-Him, and that gave me a big impact about it. And just imagine the word you use, is a worldwide wellness. So since me as a person, as an individual, were given the opportunity, why am I not be able to share that to other people? And since then, I was able to prove that, not just to myself, but to other people in the community, that Himuhim is a God-given gift. That's why I said Himuhim is life. It revitalized, it is strengthened not only me, and even to my immediate family, to my parents. They were able to experience the best supplement ever. So we talk about absolute quality and absolute price. Atomy, this vision of absolute quality and absolute price, it becomes a big word for me. Never in any other multi-level marketing uses the word absolute quality, absolute price. Meaning to say, in Him, in my own language, I said, not only rich people can have a best quality product, but even the lowest masses can afford to have that. So I immediately turned my house into an Atomy product because I changed my brand, and even from health to beauty to daily essentials. And that cabinet, that's not a store, and that is my product display. So when guest comes in my house, and they will ask you, what is that? Oh, this is my Atomy product, and I can share it with you, and you can try it also. That's simple as that. So I'll give you my history. If you will see to your far left, that's 400 milligrams of DL, or that is my sugar level. Then you see my sugar level is 490. And the cost of my heart surgery, they found out my troponin is more than 500. So, sometimes we become like a doubting Thomas of what we put in our mouth. So what I intend to put a device. Ang tawag dyan namin is Dexcom. So yung device, if your sugar is high, that will beep. Then if you have low sugar, it will also beep. So parang ginawa ko is like trial and error while I'm taking the Himuhim. So one of the reasons why nagkaroon po ako ng heart attack, that I didn't even realize that my sugar level is uncontrolled for years and years and years. And I do believe that's one of the factors. So yung may mga diabetes dyan, yung may mga high blood pressure dyan. So again, I will remind you, Himuhim is a dietary supplement that will boost your immune system. Hindi siya po gamot. Okay? It's not a medicine. So look at the result. When I started late 2022, late year of 2022, I've been taking 13 prescriptions daily. I experienced when I burp, lasang gamot na po yung nabe-burp ko. So, along that path, kaya nga, when you share Atomy supplements, make it a point that this can be the regimen. Kasi ang ugali natin minsan is a human factor. Pag nakita natin, okay na, we stop. That's not how it is. Okay? Continue. If you believe, if you know that it's good for your body, it is for your wellness, continue it. It's a supplement. Kesa namang bumili tayo over the counter na hindi naman natin alam how it has been curated o paano siya na-develop or how it's been researched. So in Atomy, you can see everything there. Okay? It explains everything. From manufacturing to the research, nandun siya po lahat. So from 5 prescriptions, that was 15, 2025. Then I went back before the big vacation. So now, July 2025, I'm only taking 3 prescriptions. That was August 10, 2025. So my A1C, and this is the result of your 3 months sugar level. And it cannot be denied kasi dugo nga yan, di ba? And Himuhim also improves your blood circulation. So my normal after surgery is still 11.5. That is my A1C. Then for how many months, for how many supplements that I've been experiencing and taking, it drops to 8.7. August 10, sabi pa ng doktor, still put it down. 7, sabi ko, ano na mangyayari dyan? But doctor still knows best. I always tell that because they're the only people who can say about our blood and draw blood from us. So I'm happy. Imagine from 11 to 8 to 7. But it is a time frame. Hindi po dapat hihinto anyway. So now, my fasting blood sugar maintained from 81 to 91. Sometimes when I talk to my sponsors, sasabihin sa akin, kumain ka, hindi ka dapat kumain. So take, okay? So now I go and visit my primary care doctor, my endocrinologist, my cardiologist once a year. It started from every 3 months. So now it's only once a year. I visit them, less sa driving, less sa gas, less sa gastos, lahat less. So take this from me, the result of taking HemoHim and other supplements from Atomy. So there's no harm in trying. Do it for yourself as I did it to myself. This is what I can share with you. Ano po yan? Talagang proof ko po yan. So, the next slide. In my family, 2 weeks ago, we just have a very, very big event. So I was having a big smile when I was doing this PowerPoint. So this video really affect in their lives and plays an important role of who they are right now. And I will share it more with you later after this.
놀랐지? 이거 컨셉이야. 7년의 연애 서로 다투기도 많이 하고 싸우기도 많이 했지. 이렇게. 그래도 널 만나서 행복을 알게 되고 사랑을 알게 됐어. 내가 가진 게 없고 많이 모자라도 하루의 시작과 끝을 너와 함께 하고 싶어. 나랑 결혼해 줄래? 하루의 시작과 끝을 너와 함께. 애터미 치약 칫솔.
Thank you for your patience for watching all these videos. You know, malaki ang story nito. When Atomy was introduced to me, my sponsor said, take this toothpaste and toothbrush. Pagising niyo sa umaga, walang bad breath. And we are laughing. And you know, my daughter is an American girl. Sabi niya, So when we woke up in the morning, sabi niya, Papa, totoo, wala akong bad breath. Ganun. So then, my daughter gave a gift sa boyfriend niya. And that toothpaste gave a very good impact in their relationship. So how can I not tell that family event becomes an Atomy family to an Atomy part of our daily life? So, last August 15, they got married in Cancun, Mexico. And this is how I shared it, that Atomy plays a love of our life in the event. So they started doing their Give of Love by Tawal, the giveaway. So they have this pouch in sickness and in health. So they all ordered Atomy products. Then when I went to the hotel, I changed all the coffee of the hotels and I put my Atomy coffee and Him. So why can I not share that, right? I love my product. So I don't say anything. I was just smiling. I say, oh, everybody calling me. Oh, nandito na naman. Here, Mr. Atomy, everybody laughing. Mr. Atomy, Mr. Atomy. Okay, we just try it. So, what is inside the pouch? Atomy vitamin C, Atomy Arabica coffee, Atomy black coffee, toothpaste, toothbrush, daily expert pass. That's the favorite of my daughter. Men and women, they have that in the pouch. Sunscreen beige as a prize, sunstick, oral care, evening care, facial demo, the absolute skincare cell active demo. You know how many doctors, how many guests I have from Australia, from Philippines. They spend 30, 45,000 having facial. So I just tried. Okay, evening care, then active. And they said, oh, I have a very good comment about that. So try is the only keyword. I didn't force anybody. So who wants to have a facial before the wedding? We still have 5 hours before the wedding. So I did it. I sent pictures, but I will not just put all their faces because I don't have permission. But they say, okay. So these are the price. These are the gift that we gave, all the Atomy product. So look at my daughter. A night before, she did the evening care. And she did the Atomy Absolute Skincare. You know what do you call that? Beautician said, what are you putting in your face? It's so natural. And she was just smiling. Am I not that proud when I hear that? I just share it. But my daughter is a sales master too of Atomy, but she's not doing that. But she is an auto consumer of mine. So my now son-in-law, he takes all Atomy product. She takes probiotic, vitamin C, beauty, health, and daily essentials. I can be proud of myself for sharing Atomy product in our big event. So, facial demo, evening care, absolute skin to try. So, there are 83 guests. I only spent almost $499 compared to other product. If I'll go to another department, I'm gonna spend almost $1,300. For 83 guests, only $443. Let's say I bought some other things because I made some games and I did giveaways. Okay. So it is my opportunity to share and recommend Atomy. Why Atomy to recommend? It has righteous marketing plan. It's an absolute quality, absolute price product. It's a master strategy. We produce mass production, but we don't jeopardize the prestigious product we have. It's a daily necessities. People needs every day. People needs to brush their teeth 3 times a day or 4 times a day. People needs to shower every day. They need to take supplements. So learn about the easy purchase. It's the new system we have in our company. Our company is doing everything easy for us. And we have a residual income. And the best thing is the third generation inheritance that we can offer to a family. Righteous marketing plan, no joining fee. I have 3 multi-level marketing still contacting me now. In the Philippines, I have to put 9,000. They call it 9888. I have like 7,000, 6,000 just to be able to purchase their product. In Atomy, no joining fee. We only advise to shop what we need. We need supplements. We need dish detergent. Just buy what you need. And if you need it, purchase it. Then we can build our team by only referring it and earn the opportunity of weekly income and to opportunity, big opportunity to grow from your hometown globally or from your home to other parts in the world. So that is why it's Atomy. It's worth sharing or worth recommending. This is my personal forces in Atomy. These are the things that I've learned a lot about Atomy. Number one, community. In Atomy, it is a community where dreamers meet and come as one. That's why we have the synergy of one heart. We help each other. We push up each other. You can really see that from our leaders. It's only in Atomy. I am a manager. I am a senior manager in a company, in a corporate world. But the only thing that I know in corporate world is to fire people. But in Atomy, we live, we carry each other, we help. We connect because we are sharing the true absolute quality and absolute product. We don't lie. We don't fabricate. We don't exaggerate. And I build covenant. I will not mention names, but they are here in our Zoom meeting. For new people, just plug in the system. Learn our personalities. Learn our characters because we only have one covenant. That is to build agreement, responsibility, and accountability as one. And my communion to others, not even in our team, but to others is Tomian, and my ability to able to spread Atomy is the trust of the company. The system is already set for us and the people around us. If I have to go back, I love eagles. Remember, eagles thought? Eagles fly with the same eagles. Meaning to say, we are all leaders here. We are family. We are members of the Atomy family. So us not to be able, yung mawawalan ng landas, sabi nga raw nila, that we are guided by the steps to success. So tuning in the Zoom meeting, one-day seminar, or Success Academy, there's bigger opportunity na hindi mahuli sa sistema. Plug in. Watch Facebook. We are leaders who work hard for us, to reach us, to learn us. The 8 steps to success also will glide us, will sail us to right of righteousness and to the best way to do Atomy. Set a goal, commitment, list up, invitation, explain the business, follow up, consultation, duplicable or duplication. Sabi nga nila, if you don't know what to do, anong mangyayari? What will happen to our team? So never give up because doing multi-level marketing or Atomy is not a bed of roses. It's not easy. Challenges is along our way, but always put your heart first, then mind, then action. Atomy is working by heart. Kaya nga sabi, words matter is how we explain Atomy. There are so many ways how we invest because when we say multi-level marketing, they talk about money already. In Atomy, in my own explanation, investing can have several meanings beyond financial context. 1, time and effort means building and nurturing relationships, attending Atomy events, reaching out people and maintain connections, or the Go 100s that what we say. We build that connection. Investing resources. We allocate money because we purchase what we need. We love our product. We become also the ambassador of our own product. Time or energy into expansion of the business. That's why we share. We build our team. Investing skills. You know your technology. You know the platforms. And we facilitate. Investing in social media. Online community, application, social media. That's why we have this everything. Nasa ano na tayo ngayon? AI, ChatGPT. So there's no point that we cannot learn. We invest our knowledge. We have a very good leaders. We have Diamond Master, Star Master, Sharon Rose Master, Crown Masters in our team. We even have Imperial Master in our team. We can learn from them and we can share our knowledge to others. This is my cue. When inviting people, we must be sincere and confident. Remember, company motto, cherish the spirit. We don't abuse, we don't make use, or we don't take advantage. The more you know exactly about the business, the better the opportunity you provide, which will automatically enable you to invite people with confidence. That's why go back to 8 steps to success, so as we will be guided. Our company president, CEO, he said, the well-balanced Righteous marketing plan shows the company's vision for success of all Atomy members. It's only in the Atomy that the captain of the ship is speaking this way. So we are in the right decision for being a part of this multi-billion company. Number 1 product, Himo-Him. We have 568 products plus, and still producing and still manufacturing. And we look in the future as the number 1 multi-level marketing. We are now in global regions and still expanding. We have now more than 14,602 members, global seminars, and you are the new people in our company that is still added some. Duplicate. As a leader, that's why we always say, see you at the top. Everyone will have the opportunity to the right path of success because Atomy is a relation business. It's only in Atomy that I heard the word changing the culture of networking. We are new. We are giving the best to our customers. You, me, and all of us will go to the top and be an Imperial Master in the future. So, in a world that can feel heavy, even the smallest act of care can lift a heart. Compassion is quite a strength. It reminds us we're never alone. When we offer it, we heal too. Keep being gentle with others and with yourself. Hope grows in kindness. That is my father and my mother. I'm still grateful. My father left us, but the Atomy Himo-Him effect, the 2 years of pandemic, my mom and my dad never had vaccination of COVID. The only weapon they have to protect their health is the Himo-Him, and I can prove that to you. And I'm still doing my charity now, sharing with whatever I have, vitamin C, probiotic, Himo-Him. That's part of my being as an Atomian. This is another Himo-Him impact. Reach out. Let them know. Listen to their issues or problems. Everybody, each and every one of us, may mga bagay na dapat rin na mapakinggan sila. I tell you, this young fellow, look at this disease, the skin. It calls erysipelas. I pronounce it right. So he came to me and just spoke to me, Sir, ikaw ba yung sa Himo-Him? No, he said, ikaw ba yung sa Himo-Him? So I'm not a manufacturer of Himo-Him. But I gave him 5 days sachet and look at the effect and the result. And now he's even happy. Look at it's a skin disease from head to toe. But he's still grateful about that. Share your knowledge. Others, we have this Atomy Detox program that really, really helps me a lot. Detox program is where you cleanse your body. So don't keep it for yourself. If you know what is that supplements we have that affects our organs, our body, share that. Recommend our supplement because we have the absolute quality again and the absolute product. The Go 100 will give us the opportunity to share and recommend Atomy. Never stop opening your mouth. Never stop sharing it because once you do it in your life, You put that in your heart and mind, nagiging spontaneous siya. Kahit ako, kahit saan ako kaya minsan yung anak ko at saka yung asawa ko natatawa. But the first word I heard from my daughter before, is he crazy? Because we are yelling, cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the face of it. Is he crazy? What is he doing? Then now he realized. And now he will be a family with her own family. And he understood what is Atomy all about. It's not just about money. It's not just about our product, but it is our daily life. Look at me. Tingnan nyo naman yun. Yung nakita ako ng aking sponsor, para akong zombie. Diba? Sabi sila, si Brad Pitt daw. Can I not be grateful for myself? Nagising pa ako hanggang ngayon. Can I not be grateful that I'm still alive, that I can still share? I still have that opportunity. So be grateful. Let's move on. Just like what word matters. Be the captain of your life. Be the captain to lead by sharing Atomy. I am a million times happy as a father-in-law because I am a business partner of a multi-billion-dollar company that offers absolute quality, absolute product, and a company who takes care of customer success. Nandiyan po yung mga invoice, ha? That's a proof. Hindi po ako, I'm just not making up. This is reality. That is true. Success, C, courage, character, creativity, consistency, confidence, commitment, concentration. These are the big C's that will help us today, tomorrow, and the years to come. If you are satisfied 100%, simply recommend others. Don't be shy. Keep it up. Words over matter. Thank you very much. I am your sales master from Atomy Atlanta Center. This is Ping Murillo. Maraming salamat po sa time nyo, sa effort nyo, at saka sa patience nyo. I do hope that I gave justice today. Thank you.
Wow! Maraming salamat, SMP. Palakpakan po natin siya. It was truly powerful, touching, inspiring, and thank you for letting us peek through the events sa Cancun, Mexico. His story actually reminds me of Arami, not just about the product, kasi napakaganda talaga ng kalidad, but it's about hope, health, and life. So, as we end today, I would like each one of us to also find, sana makahanap din kayo ng isang produkto sa Atomy that you will find value. Whether it's the toothpaste, whether it's the laundry detergent, the fabric detergent, whether it's the dish detergent, or maybe Himuhim itself. Okay, kagaya ko. Whatever it is, your story matters in the future. So, sana may natutunan kayong valuable lesson today, not just different products, how you can be a blessing to somebody or how you can share this Atomy as an opportunity. So, wag po nating sarilinin yung Atomy. Let's continue to share Atomy to your family, to your loved ones, to your friends, to your community. Because when you do, you are not selling the products, you're not talking about the products, but you are becoming a blessing to others. Hindi nyo alam, baka mamaya makatulong talaga kayo. Kahit kahit isa, kahit anumang produkto meron si Atomy. So, let's continue to share Atomy as a blessing and as a gift as we cherish this spirit, as we create our vision with Atomy, as we follow our faith, and as we serve in humility. So, ako po si Diamond Master Relim Pilapil Minorca. I'm your host with the Marinduque Global Center. So, thank you po for joining us for another Tuesday with Atomy, and hope to see you again next Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. Our chairman, Hangil Park, will be in US in October 24. So, you guys are invited if you want to come to USA. Please follow Atomy Philippines and other countries na merong official YouTube and Facebook and Atomy IG para anong tawag na, para lagi kayong up to date sa lahat nangyayari sa ating Global Atomy family. Okay, I will always be grateful being part of the Atomy. So thank you again, SM Ping, for this training. Ang dami ko natutunan. We will continue our Q&A and sharing with our Zoom. At sa lahat po na nasa FB Live, maraming salamat po. Bye everyone!